Next, we have the assignment operators. Now, assignment operators is just what we call as a shorthand na writing of our arithmetic plus assignment operators. I guess we are parehaan ni. So, kung instead nga mo sulat ta og B is equal to B plus A, kung mogamit ta o assignment operators, it can be translated into B plus equals A. Okay? So instead nga musulat ka ani, ang iyahang kaparehas in terms of assignment operator is ingani. Again, this is just only shorthand. So instead na mo type ta og B is equal to B plus A, mas ginapa simple niya ani nga statement. B plus equals A. Meaning, ang pasabot ani is B is equal to B plus A. So this is just the assignment operator. Of course, we have the equal sign for the assignment operator as well. So, for instance, parehaan ni x is equal to x plus y. Kung magamit ang assignment operators, ang pasabot niya ani or iyahang shorthand nga assignment operator is equal to x plus equals y, which is this one. Okay? If you want also y is equal to y times 10, ang iyahang equivalent na assignment operator is y times equal 10 dayon. So this is just the shorthand way of writing sa ato ang mga operations and executions. Okay? Let's have an example. So this is will be assignment operation. Okay? So the public class. Okay. Then we have the main method. For example, I'm going to declare here if x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Okay, so let's have a is equal to 0. Okay, x So what will be the result if we print the value of x? Anyone? Kato naka-bonus na ay isa sa naka-bonus.
Name, sir.
Last name?
Maglangit.
Okay. The answer is, ano yung answer? Kulihog?
15.
1.5.
Sir.
Sayop naman siguro 1.5 kay
45, sir. 45.
ayun. Unfortunately, atong count ito lang. Una lang siguro, ha? Sige. Next na lang siguro. 45. The result of this program is 45. Why 45? Again, if not assignment operators, this will be translated into x is equal to x plus 10. So what is the current value of our x? X is equal to 10. So meaning, x here is equal to 20. So muna na sinugan na sayop na daan, kaya sa first line, 20 na nakasugod. Okay? Here is equal, this one, x is equal to x times 2. Okay? So kung musulit nga x is equal to x times 2, the current value for x is 20. So 20 times 2, x now becomes 40. Okay? Here, again, since this is an assignment operator, this will be converted to x is equal to x plus y. The current value of our x is 40, and the current value of our y is equal to 5. Thus, the result of our program is 45 na dayon. Okay? Sige, let's try another example. Actually, pwede na natang walay space, yapon tani. Result.
250, sir.
Last name?
Peroy.
Okay, let's check. The answer is 250 ba? Medyo layo-layo man sa to ang computation. Let's check ano niya about og 65. Okay? First is equal to x is is equal to x minus y. Okay? So the result of this one is ano yung current value ni x? 10. Di ba? 10 minus 5, you have 5. Okay? So here, we have x is equal to x multiplied by y. Okay? So what is the current value for x? That's 5. Okay? 5 times 5. What is the value of 5? 5 times 5? You have
25.
25.
25.
Okay? Kani wala yan siya effect. So, samok-samok na nga part sa to ang sa inyong hangko. Okay? X is equal to x plus a. Okay? Ang sa result ani? Result for line A.
5.
25,
25.
sir.
O,
25,
25
sir.
ra gihapon kay
25, sir.
25 ra gihapon kay wala may changes ang ato ang kay zero man ang atong value.
0 pa na. Okay.
So this one is x is equal to x times x. So what is the current value of our x?
25.
So 25 times 25. So the result is
25.
625. Okay? Yun, murag na basig na dala ra og kuan bulabog ning sa line number 8. Let's try another one. Result.
0, sir.
20.
Last name.
Peroy.
0. Let's try. Sorry. Sorry. Sayang dito tayo. Error yung dapat ang answer ito. Dili tayo 0. Yeah, the answer is 0. Yanong 0 man? Peroy?
Ang x kay gi-minus man pud siya sa kuan sa value sa x mo ng 0 siya.
Di ba? Regardless of the current value of your x here, minus man mo siya sa iyang self. So technically, 0 gyud gyapon ang iyang output ana. Okay? Regardless kung gi-solve din ninyo sa kaning 6, 7, 8 or wala, pag abot dire man gud is this is translated as x is equal to x minus x. So meaning, regardless kung moabot mo 1 million sa line 6 to 8, but you are making the value of x subtracted to its value, thus the result is 0. Okay? So, medyo na mata-mata siguro dire, wala ka nakita din ng uban. But, again, if you're going to encounter this type of statement, what you're going to understand, to tawag ani, to evaluate this is will be x is equal to this will be the value for x plus kung saang naguna sa imuhang equal sign, then the biggest then the value which is katong imuhang i-identify. So for here you have x is equal to x plus y. Okay? So much more about the assignment operators. Again, this is a shorthand. Kung dili ninyo gusto ang shorthand, you may use the katong normal or katong iyahang tawag ani normal nga declaration of the operation niya. Okay? Next will be the following operators, the relational operators, as well as the last type of operator, which is logical operators. Dili na ni sila gadil og numbers sa ilahang results. Okay? Both of these following operators are being used na as conditions. The moment nga mo abot na ta sa conditional control structures, si if, si switch case, kana sila commonly ang gamit aning si relational operators. Okay? Majority is ang if. Okay? So, the relational operators are tawag ani are used to test relation entities. So, unlike arithmetic operators, the result of the relational and logical operators is only either true or false depende sa ato ang statement. But when we talk about statements sa relational, usually we use the term the condition, including the logical. What is the condition? What is the result of our condition nga statement? Okay? So, is it less than ba? Is it greater than ba? Less than or equal to? Greater than or equal to? Not equal to? Or ang equality? Or is that equal to nga operation? Okay? So, anong ganaw man to? Okay? So, this is the operators that we are going to use for relational operators. Again, ang result ani nila is either true or false. Okay? Let's add another. So, wait. Relational. Okay? It's a class. Then, you have the example. Let's x is equal to 10. Oops. Ito naman. Y is equal to 5. Let's try that one. Then, we declare a boolean variable. Okay? The boolean variable can handle only true or false, which is best to handle relational operations na mga results. So, for example, boolean result. Okay? So, let's try. So, let's say result is equal to, so once we print the value of the result is x greater than 1?
True, sir. True, sir.
So the result of this one is true. Okay? So this is just the basic form of operation when we talk about the relational operations or relational operators. So kana. Okay? So pag musulti ko nga ingani, what will be the result?
Error.
Error?
True. True, sir.
So the,
True.
who answers true? Si
Gapito, sir.
itong isa. Itong lalaki. Ay,
Romano.
si Romano. Nanab, oh. So, mga nanab po may mga bonus points naman po daan ni God. So, sige. So, this is read as greater than or equal to. Okay? So, is x ba daw greater than or equal to 10? So, definitely, x is not greater than to 10. However, x is equal to 10. So, since this is read as greater than or equal to, technically, this is a logical operation ng or, so the result is true. Okay? Either of the statement is true, since the or operator being used, matik na siyang true ang ato ang result. Okay? So, let's try another example. Um, request na ko katong wala pa naka-answer siguro. Maybe pwede ta makakuan tawag ani maka participate for a bonus point. Okay? What will be the result of this code?
True, sir.
Last name, please.
Malinaw.
True ba? Is x greater than
False
y?
ata, sir. False, sir.
False, sir.
Yeah, the answer is
False.
false. Anong false? This one is
Fake.
x. Ano siya? X is equal to x plus y, di ba? So what is the value for x? 10 plus the value for y. So you have here x is equal to 15. Okay? For this one, which is y is equal to y times y. So what is the value for y? The value for y is 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So once we put a condition, is x greater than y? So this is interpreted as is 15 greater than 25. So mas dako pa daw si 15 sa 25. So the result is
False.
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 Ito siya. Okay? Sayang, wala tayo choices adto, wala pa yun nakuha. Anyway, it's just medyo ano man kay sa butangan nato o complexity gamay in terms of the assignment operators. First is you need to evaluate lang. Kay kung kabalo ka mo evaluate, chances are you know how to be able to create your own operations dayon and constructs in the future. Okay? So, okay, sige,
Another.
let's try another sample. Okay? So, true or false?
True, sir.
True, sir. True, sir. True.
Kisa pa wala nag-answer na wala pa points. May bonus points.
Malinaw, sir.
Sige, what's your answer?
True.
Why true? Bakit true, Mr. Malinaw?
False, sir, false.
Anong false man?
Kana
Ah,
ang
sige. Last name, please.
rebellious.
Sige. Why false? True man.
Kay ang y is not greater than or equal to x.
Ang result niya is ano man? This
I
not
know.
this is not greater, this is
Ay, lagi,
less
sakto
than.
lagi ko, sakto lagi ko.
Ah, so this is less
Ay,
than.
less than pala yung
The value of y is y is less than or equal to x. The answer is true. Okay? Ato ang i-assess, ato ang i-check is x is equal to x plus
true pala ko.
times y. Okay? The result of this one is x multiplied by y. What is the value for x? That is 10 multiplied by 5, so you have 50. Diba? Okay? Um, 10, 10 times 5 is 50. Here, the value for y is equal
25.
to
25.
y times y. Sige, so this 25. Dito,
25.
y is
True
equal
lagi.
to minus 1.
24.
24. Okay? So, y is 24, x is 50. So, of course, y is less than or equal to x. So, the result is true. Okay? Magamit nato ni siya og ayo. Again, pag moabot ta og conditional nga mga statements, especially when dealing condition nga control structures, which is if na dayon. Okay? So, again, ang kailangan lang ninyo may balandari is this is how you write the expression na yun. Okay? You may also write the expression in such a way nga, for example, um, let me just have this one. let's say y plus plus y is equal to y plus plus. What do you think is the result of this program?
True, sir.
True? Okay. Anong true man?
Okay, bali ang statement, sir, para mag-add og 1.
Ibali ang statement. This is just increment or decrement, increment nga pre and post naman gihapon. Again, after evaluation pa man siya mo execute, and this one would be definitely mo equate siya into similar nga value sa imuhang increment na y gihapon. Okay? If you want to work on the operations, for example, let's say y plus 2 tapos x minus 2, for example. So ano yung result na to, ani? Pareho ba sila? Definitely not. Okay? Because y plus 2 is equal to 7. Is that equal to x minus 2, which is 8? So 7 is not equal to 8. So meaning false na siya. Okay? Pwede tayo maghimog ani same na conditions. Ato lang isulod sa open and close parentheses para mauna siya og execute. Okay? So that is how we define relational operations using these operators. Okay? The last one is we have the logical operators. So si logical operators na tatlo lang. This is an operator, duha ka ampersand. This is or operator. Makita na to niya sa usually nasa ubos sa backspace na key sa atong keyboard, and the not operator. Okay. Let's start with the not operator. Ang not ihara indicate. So meaning, kung true, butangan ni mong not, mahimo siya nga false. Kung ang false, butangan ni mo og not, mahimo siya nga true. For example, this one is 5 greater than 3. So the result of this one is true. Pero naa kay not operator, meaning what is not 5 it gray is what is not true. Sorry. What is not true, meaning the result is false. Okay? If naapog kay tawag ani boolean daan, pareha ani boolean is y. Okay? So y gidefine niya diri as false. So not false is basically the result ana is true na dayon. Okay? Um, kung gusto rin ta og an operator and or operator, i-ani lang atong rule. Okay? Ako sa tiya akong rule para mas dali matiman-an ninyo ang inyong kuan. If an operator, uh, one false statement makes the condition false. Okay? Sa or operator, one true statement makes the entire condition equal to true. Okay? So, pag mogamit tag-an, na masahan na isa nga false sa binisaya pa or sa pinaka-simple na pagsabot na to ani, pag operator nimo is an, then ay nasaag nga false, it will make the whole statement false. Kapag nagamit ka og or operator, on the other hand, isa ka statement nga true, it will make all of the statement true na dayon. Okay. Now, when we do this, on a normal basis, this is a conjunction or a comparison between multiple nga relational operators. So, ang iyang ma-process ani is dili numbers. Ang i-process sa imong relational operators is numbers, pero ang result niya is boolean. However, for logical, ang i-process niya, it can process or it can tawag ani, it will be using a boolean na variable daan. Okay? Dili ka pwede mo sulti nga 5 and 2. Okay? Parehaan we can say this one as, for example, result is equal to 5 greater than 2. The that is a valid statement. So nag-evaluate na og numbers, i-convert niya into boolean. However, we cannot do, for example, 5 and 2. Okay? This is invalid statement since this is not boolean and this is not boolean. Again, the logical operators can only process, or should I say, evaluate boolean nga data only, or boolean nga mga variables nga nakana na siya default or predefined na mga values. Okay? So this is invalid. Okay? So this is a valid nga statement because this is a relational operator and this is a logical operator. Okay? So let's try an example. Sige. Boolean result is equal to false. Let's set everything to false muna. X, no, A is equal to false, for example. Okay? Maklaro niyo kung sakto yung boolean niya statement because naka-color po na siya tayo. Okay? So all of the current statement are false. So let's try here. So X is equal. Sige, saan ko tatanin yan eh. Para at least ma-practice po ninyo gamay ang inyong kantawag. Okay? So what will be the result of our program?
False, sir.
False. Last name?
False, sir.
Mahayahay.
Okay, ano false? Kung saan yung values ng x na rin? X is equal to, dito na ta,
20.
20. Okay, good. Okay, this one, y is equal to
25.
25.
25. Okay, so our x here is 20, our y is 25. Okay, so kani is x greater than to 20. True or false?
True.
False. False.
False. Because x is equal to 20. So 20 is not greater than to 20. Di ba? So ang result na to ani is false. Tapos, this is AND operator. Kung na lang makita ang false, ang AND operator, bahala dito mo na siya i-process ang next evaluate. Di ba? And again, one false statement makes the condition false.
False.
Okay? Pero sige na lang, ito yung process. Is evaluate. Is y less than or equal to 25? This is true or false?
True.
The answer is true. So what is false and true? False and true is
False.
False.
false. So we have the result is
False.
false. Okay? Okay? Update. Result.
True.
Last name? Last name? Ano yun? Who answered true?
Lagaret.
Okay. Ganun true. Matik mo na sabi. Simple. At saan change ang operator from and to or na dayon. So here, kung or na siya, ang atong statement diri is false or true. Okay? So meaning, ang pasabot niya is it's either false or true. Pag i-assess na to na siya, pag-evaluate, the result is true because the operator is or na dayon. Okay? The same thing kanina, or parehaan ni, the same thing of this one. Okay? This one. This is read as is y greater than or equal to 2. So technically, kung ato yun niya siyang i-dissect, there are two operations on this one. Okay? First is y less than to 2. Then this is read as is y less than or equal to 2. So that will be OR operator, tapos you have y equal to 2. Okay? Kung na isa nga mo true ani, meaning it will make the whole statement true. So para sa example na to
True.
kanina, this is y. Y is 25, since 25 is equal to, is y is equal to 25, is 25 less than ba to 25? False. Is y equal to 25? Is 25 equal to 25? The answer is true. So, is y less than or equal to 25? Meaning, ang pag-assess na to ana is, wait lang, here, 25. I-change na ko na siya into 25. So, is 25 less than 2? The answer is false. Is 25 equal to 2? The answer is true. So the result of this one is false or true. The result is true. Okay? Question? Yes? Clarification? Meron ba?
Sir, if ever sir na false parehas then or ang gigamit, mo kuan gyapon ba siya is true gyapon ang ma-result?
False. False yapon. Again, kung magamit ta og or, dapat naatay isa ka true statement to make the whole statement true. Okay? Kung false naman, regardless kung and or, false yun na ang result. Okay? Kung true tanan, regardless kung true, regardless kung and or, matik na na siya ng true tanan. Okay? Ang delineation niya is pag na ay true o na ay false ang statement, dila no may balaan kung and siya, pag na ay false, false siya. Kung or ang operator nga na ay true, matik na na siya nga true ang statement. Nakuha ba?
Yes sir, thank you sir.
So, bahala og gusto ka nga false, let's say, or false, or false, or false, or false. Bahala og 1 million tani nga false. False yun na siya. Pero, kung ay nasaag dira isa na true, then your statement is all false using the OR operator, and the result will be true na tayo. Okay? That's the idea of the logical operators. So, you might be asking, sir, asa nato magamit ng mga logical operators? Isa sa akong pinakamahatag na sample ani is kaning mag-user input ta na username and password. Di ba? Ano, we are required to enter the username and password kung mo visit ang mga websites like Facebook or any social media nga accounts. So dapat ang condition nimo ana is for example, um, your username is equal to katong naa sa database, ako na lang i-assume na lang dire, naa sa database, at the same time, and the password, sorry, and the password is equal also, sorry, that should be double equal, not equal lang, is equal also adtong naa sa database. Okay? Kaya ano, if ang imong operator na ginagamit ani is or, what will happen? Kung or, meaning sakto ang username pero sayop ang password, musugot siya. Kung sakto si password, sayop ang username, musugot gyapon sa kay Truman. So, weak ang imuhang validation in terms of your condition. So, pag mogamit ang AND operator, meaning dapat si username naa sulod sa database o kana ka password naa pud sulod sa database before you can enter or you can be validated sa website. Yes, question? Yan nag-raise of hand. Or sayop lang, okay? So, this is, again, mas makita na to ni siya, mas magamit, nag-ayo na to ni siya pag moabot sa next chapter, which is on the conditional operation. Do you have questions or clarification ba?
None sir.
Okay, sige. So, for the remaining part of our topic is, I want you, dapat ito last but I precedence rule. I forget the precedence rule. So, for the precedence rule is, this is just the execution based on priority nga gi-impose ni Java. Okay? So this is being applied also in most of the programming languages, but since we're using Java, this is the precedence rule. Okay? So meaning, ang first i-execute ni Java is kanang naa sa parentheses. Pinakauna. Okay? Ang naasod sa parentheses mo pinakauna i-execute. Kung wala ay naka sa parentheses, unahon niya ang increment, decrement dayon. Followed by multiplication, then division, addition, subtraction. So, kung naakay tawag ani, kung natay code, for example, let's try precedence na lang. Okay, just copy this one. Public class. Okay, for example, you have in x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Bakit ganito yung example? Kasi lang, let's say a is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's say for example, a is equal to x plus y times, let's say, 2. Okay. So, ano yung result ng program na to? Can someone tell me what is the output of A?
13, sir.
Result is 13. Okay, wait lang. Let me just... Okay.
30 sa 30, 30.
30. The result is 20. Why 20? This is because of the precedence rule. Okay? Let's check.
Unit times, sir.
So, sa precedence rule, giuna si multiplication ay si addition. Okay? So you need to remember this for you to be able to write your code correctly. So, meaning, pag-evaluate ni Java ani, siguro ang gibuhat ninyo gaina is, di ba, this is 10 plus 5 times 2. Okay? So, ang gibuhat siguro ninyo is 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15 times 2. So, ang result ana is 30. But, Java does not evaluate this expression similar to your assumption. Okay? Again, si Java naa siya kagalingon na rules gina-follow. And that rule is what we call as the precedence rule. So sa iyahang rule, unahon sa niya si multiplication ay si addition. So for this example, ang iyahang una gi-process is 5 times 2. So what is 5 times 2? The result is 10. Ayan na niya gi-execute si addition which is 10. So you have 10 plus 10. Then the result is 20. Okay? So when you try to make codes, when you are trying to make tawag ani evaluation, arithmetic, or any types of operators di Java, you need to remember always nga naa siya gina-follow na rules in terms of execution, and that is what we call as the precedence. Okay? So, kung ang kailangan sa imong code, i-add sa ni muna, ay siya i-multiply. So, what we're going to do is we put parentheses na yun. Okay? Since sa precedence rule, ang iyang gisulti is, ang pinakauna kay si parentheses. So, once we're going to run the program again, with parentheses sa x and y, we will going to expect that the result is 30. Why? Unahon niya nag-execute si x plus y, so you have 15 times 2, then the result is 30. So that is just one way for you to process or kung naa kay gusto i-prioritize nga computation. Okay? For example, if you are required to compute for the average of 5 numbers, okay? So mag-divide man taana, so I will be going to declare a variable nga under double. Okay? Because average, on saan pag-compute sa average, you need to add all the numbers and divide how many numbers that you have gihimaan mo og addition. Okay? So, if my code is just like this, for example, x plus y plus a divided by pila ka numbers? This is 1, to 3 divided
3,
by
sir.
3. So if ana ako ang code, should I be expecting a correct na answer? Ba? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Why?
Kay unahon ni divide ang A divided by 3.
Last line please.
Hamad, sir.
Correct. Why? Again, based on the precedence rule, unahon niya compute si A divided by 3. Dili niya isam una ay i-divide. Just like what I told you kanina sa sundalan sa itong class. Okay? To solve the problem, we're just going to put parentheses. Meaning, unahon niya ni-add tanan and ay niya i-divide by 3. So, muna siya ang the rest of tawag ani operations nga by precedence ni Java. So, parentheses, increment, decrement, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, relational, equality, and or conditional, and ay hapadayon ni assignment operator. Mo na nga dapat una ibutang nato ang mga relational usually sa tawag ani parentheses po. Okay? So, last dayon is assignment. So, bahalag taas kay kadire og statement, ang pinaka-last execute niya is kani. Meaning, regardless of what is the value evaluated on the right side, ihara na siyang i-assign dito sa left side nimo nga sa imuhang variable. Okay? So, you just need to remember, familiarize, maybe memorize siguro kung makaya mo memorize din sila nga sequencing in Java.